How to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. Now, if your Instagram account is just for personal use, you do not need to worry about Meta AI because you will not be using it more often. Now, if it is, or if you have activated it by just going to a random chatbot that you have from your current account and then summoning Meta AI is just by doing this, the @ sign, and then just type in Meta AI. So once you have tapped on these option here that says ask questions, you are now activating Meta AI. But to dig deep or basically you won't be able to turn it off because this is already set as default from the application itself. Now you do not have to do anything to turn it on, just do not activate and do not use it as for maybe for help center or for updating your account or any support that you need from Instagram. If you would like to access help and support, just go directly to your account profile and by there you should be able to fix that problem. And that's how you turn off Meta AI on Instagram.